Good morning, fam. And at sunrise today, I just wanted to talk about being stuck at the top of the in-breath. And this is because yesterday I had clients that were having breathing difficulties, that had flexibility issues, and it really comes back to this stress response and how to calm our nervous system. And when we're really at the top of the in-breath all the time, we're always in that stress response, we don't fully exhale. When our muscles are tight, but especially our fascia is contracted, we never fully get to that exhale. And so being stuck at the top of the in-breath as well never allows the lower lobes of our lungs to fully open. And so this breathing practice is so simple, but it helps us to not just stay at the top of that in-breath. It helps us to really fully open up the lungs and then let go. Let go of the tension in our body, let go of the tension in our fascia, because that's that postural system. It holds us, not just our muscles, it holds all of us, our organs, in this tension. So if we've created this in-breath and this tension all throughout the day and we've never actually tuned in and gone fully exhaled, we're going to be in that tense posture, not being able to stretch, not being able to fully breathe, and you can see how that's going to affect everything else we do. And so just roll with me here with a few breaths, working on breathing correctly and working that into our posture. So it's a double inhale and a long, slow exhale, but I like to do a hum because it really helps us with a long, slow exhale, helps us to breathe out through the nose, and also the vibration is great for attuning our body, and also that hum helps us with dilating the blood vessels because it releases that nitric oxide. So now I've given you a big explanation on why this is important. Hopefully this is something you do more regularly. So we're going to breathe in through the nose as much as we can. Hold there. Breathe in once again. Hold there. Now the lower lobes of the lungs have opened up. Now we do the hum. So you can see it's a lot longer than if I went. Okay, I'm controlling that nice slow release, attuning my body and letting it settle into a nice new frequency. Let's go again. So breathing in as much as you can, broadening the ribs, broadening the back, and then another inhale at the top of this. Really nice and tall. You're kind of pushing the fluid up through the spine with that double in breath. And now, long, slow out. Let's do one more. Breathing in, and out. Go back to your normal breathing. Try and think about relaxing the face and shoulders, continuing to work on a slower, longer out breath than an in breath, and helping our posture to be in that really tall but relaxed state. And that's going to take us into life, actually feeling and being and acting like a new person, because confidence is shown through the way we show up in the world. And so you can do this through the inside first, which is our breathing, and the outside second, which is our posture. So I hope you enjoyed this session today at sunrise and it helped you in some way. Much love.